Morning, second day in Arizona. We're going to Bay Canyon. And yeah, what time is it? 9:36 in the morning. Fit, Lulu top, Lulu shorts, Sam Adidas shoes. Let's go. So before we go on our hike, yeah, babe. Anyway, I just want to talk to you guys about like the video. I guess it doesn't matter. But I tried to upload it like a different way on my computer to the videos from this week, and they still won't upload. So I gave up, but I'm still gonna like vlog every day and then just upload them all day by day when I get back to my town. And my house has good Wi-Fi, so that's the plan.
And this doesn't have good Wi-Fi.
No, this place has really like, I don't have service here, so I'm relying only on Wi-Fi. So with 7 other people, and you can see how that's working out not well. But it's whatever, it doesn't really matter. I'm still vlogging everything, and it doesn't need to be out like right away. So yeah, let's go hiking.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all
Done with that hike. It's like 11:50 or something. Keys, what'd you think about it? Love to hear it.
Alright, so this is my trash.
Now we're going to this place called like Airport, and there's a bunch of vortexes where you can feel energy through your body. So we're gonna try that out. What's that?
Where's Burn?
Going up to the summit now. We made it.
Over by Aiden. Do we have service up here? Yeah.
Time for the pool. It's 1:11. I just got done eating. I just had a turkey, lettuce, bacon, cheese sandwich. No. And yeah, that's all that's happening. I might vlog at the pool. Like, I'm just gonna be sitting there reading for about probably 2 hours. That's it. 5 o'clock. I'm done at the pool. I edited the video that went up yesterday. I made a thumbnail for it. And that's pretty much it. I left the pool around 3 and I came back and showered, grubbed a little bit. I just had a granola bar. Then I edited the video, made the thumbnail. It's now 5. Hoping we eat soon because I'm so hungry. I don't know why, but I've just been so hungry lately. So anyway, that's all that's happening. I'm just watching Summer House. Typical. I'm on season 2 now. So anyway, okay, that's all. I'll talk to you guys once dinner's made. We're now going to a place called Hammock Haven. So let's see what that is. How are we supposed to get up there?
Are you gonna come?
We're supposed to lay like that?
Yeah.
We're semi on. Smile.
a good show.
Let's go grub on some steak. Where is this? We have assigned steaks.
Yeah, don't just start grabbing.
Right.
Got him.
Holy.
Get the roll.
Finished dinner. We're going to the same place where we were yesterday for the sunset. Already a totally different, like, aesthetic. So beautiful. I'm excited. Look at the clouds.
This is really pretty.
Me and Kiara had s'mores. Say hi, Keys.
Hello.
All the family's back. They're watching basketball. That's all they've been doing. All the guys.
Carl and I went back to Carl's.
I'm watching Summer House. It's 8:05. Probably gonna log off for this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to watch my next video if you wanna see what I do tomorrow. Follow me on Instagram if you want. Caitlin Knox. I'm out.